Let's take a look at how can we do basic operations in Microsoft Word, how we can add text, delete text, move text in your documents. The text which you see currently on the screen is the simple text that I put in this tutorial. It contains multiple sentences, and what we can do, we can select the text by using the mouse, right, and using the left mouse click. A couple ways you can copy the text. We can copy it using the copy button, and if we put the cursor somewhere else, we can paste the same text that we just copied. Right. We can also undo this operation. There is an undo paste button, or if this is not something that we really wanted, meaning undoing it, we can also redo the typing. We can also see more details about the text. If we click this ShowHide button, it shows some additional characters that typically do not show up. For example, this dot in the middle of the line indicates a space. This symbol indicates end of the line. And page break indicates that after this line, text will go right into the next page. The copy and paste operations also available through the menu. So if I highlight this large paragraph here, I can do a right mouse click, and there's a copy option available here. So I can do copy. I can add an extra line here by clicking enter button, and I can do a paste through the menu as well. So and there are different paste options. This is just keep source formatting, and that's the type of paste that I chose. We can also move text without copying and pasting. To do that, we just need to select the text that we would like to move, and using the left mouse button, holding this, we can just drag it and drop it in a new place. And obviously we can undo this operation using the undo button on pressing Ctrl-Z on the keyboard. Deleting text is done, deleting of the text is done in multiple different ways. We can highlight the text and we can do cut. It removes it from the text, but it remembers it in the clipboard in case we need it. Or we can select the text and use the delete button on the keyboard. It permanently deletes the text without putting it into the clipboard, but you can still undo this operation using the undo button. Hope you have learned something and enjoyed this video. Make sure to click the subscribe button to stay in touch with me on YouTube. And join my email list so I can share with you more information about my free training courses. Hope to see you back soon. Again, this is Vadim Michalenko. Thanks again for watching.